Welcome to today's video, where I will answer the question, what is copywriting? Copywriting is the act of writing a text with the purpose of advertising or other marketing goals. This type of writing is crucial for any business because through the message you send, you create a brand image, brand awareness, and even more, you persuade the audience to buy your products or services. A successful copywriter will write amazing text for email marketing campaigns, online ads, social media posts, etc. His work is intricate and requires know-how and expertise. But you should probably wonder if you can do it yourself or if it is necessary to hire a pro in this field. Let's find out. Pros of doing it yourself or sourcing it out. There are a few pros of taking care of the ad copy and copywriting yourself, such as it is free. You won't have to pay for this service, but it takes time to learn how to do it successfully. You can learn new skills. As I was telling you previously, you have to take the time to do copyright well. You should discover the keywords you have to use your audience's interests, and what they are searching for, but also write in a compelling yet exciting manner. You know very well the subjects you approach because you activate in the field. This way, your articles will be on point. Cons of doing it yourself versus searching it out. There are cons of doing it yourself instead of hiring a specialist, such as it will cost you time. You have to learn this skill, and it will take precious time in which you will not be able to focus on other essential aspects of your business. You may not add value to your business. A professional has the knowledge and experience to create a fantastic ad copy that adds value to your brand. They know precisely how to give a voice to your business, to bond with the issue, and compel them to buy without feeling it. This is a crucial part of any ad copy. The audience must not feel aggressive messages. You don't have the know-how. A specialist has thousands of hours of working in this domain. Therefore, he has in-depth knowledge regarding the subject. The experience will lead to successful copywriting and, consequently, increased brand awareness, sales, and better brand image. It will write flawless text, high-quality content that your audience will love. The content wrote by professionals will stand out in front of your competition, moving your business to the next level. If this video was helpful, be sure to click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this in the future. Be sure to check out the description section for free resources for your online business. See you in the next video.